In this video, we're going to look at cleaning up duplicate contact records. In the last video, we went through a process that only returned a list of contacts that the system thinks may be duplicates. It's still necessary to merge any duplicate records that it may have found. So that's what we're going to do in this video. Is we're going to look at finding that list of duplicates and then either manually or automatically merging any duplicate contacts it finds. So hovering over the main navigation in the admin column, we're going to go to Data Cleanup. And this third option down here allows us to view the duplicate contact records. So if you followed along with us in the previous video, when you click here, you'll actually have something that shows up. So we need to go ahead and find a record that we're going to merge here. We can see we've got two records, both with the same name. What's going to be the right one? So we're going to click the manual merge over here on the left. So this is going to display three columns. The left column and the right column show the available data in the duplicate records, and the center column consists of the data that's going to be merged into the resulting contact record. And we can click the arrows on either side to choose what data we want to actually merge in here. Now, because we have two email addresses here, I'm actually going to copy one of these here, because we don't want to lose this information. Same thing if we had like two phone numbers or something like that. So once the middle column has all the information that we want, we're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom. Of course, I have a lot of contact records and custom fields here. You probably won't have as many. We'll scroll down and click Merge and View Contact. Actually, normally you would click Merge and Return to Search. Because we have this second email address we don't want to lose, we're going to click Merge and View Contact. So it's going to give us a warning, and we're going to want to hit OK. And now this takes us back to the contact record. Now, if you recall, we have this email address here, and under our additional info, we can now go ahead and paste in the second one that we had on file. Now we're not going to lose any data there. So remember, if you do have good data for more than one field, like a phone number or something like that, you'll want to go ahead and manually merge that stuff over. Now, there's certain instances where a contact record is actually not a duplicate here. So in this case, this isn't a duplicate. I want to keep this test record here. So when I go to the manual merge here, in real life, this may be something like we have two John Smiths in the database that are actually two real people. At the very bottom of this list here, we can go, and this looks all goofy because I have a bunch of custom fields and things like that, but we can actually choose Mark as Not Duplicates. So now the system knows that it's two separate and distinct people. Now, in some cases, if a lot of duplicates are found, there are ways to automatically merge contact records in bulk. So under data cleanup here, we have two options. The Merge Duplicate Contact Records by Overwriting Old Data with New Data option will overwrite any fields on the older record, based on when it was created, with the fields from the newer record. The Merge Duplicate Contact Records by only adding new data, not overwriting old data option, will only fill in fields that aren't present in the older record. For example, if both records have an email address, but the old record doesn't have a phone number, and the new one does, the phone number will be in the merged record while retaining the older email address. While these functions are convenient, for the most reliable data integrity, it is preferred to perform the manual merge as we've outlined in this video. In the next video, we're going to look at managing campaign model variations with versioning.